Hi, in this tutorial we will study the stress tool to calculate safety factor. Here on solution we will right click, insert, and then more column stress. Here we are going to limit the tensile strength and also compressive. So you can see here we have to change custom value for tensile limit is the half of the ultimate tensile strength, that is 147 megapascal. Same for compressive limit, also custom. Here also we are going to put half of the ultimate. So above this limit, that area will be red, in the, like where it is crossing that limit, it will show red. So on the basis of this one, it will show safety factor. And this safety factor we are going to check for this valve body. So first select this body and this one, here apply. And here we can evaluate all results. So safety factor, you can see in tabular data, minimum is 1, maximum is 15, and average is 6.83. So here we are going to introduce insert stress, maximum principal stress, insert middle principal stress, minimum principal stress. So the stress we want for this wall body. So what we will do, we will change from all body to wall body. Same thing we are going to define for this. Same thing this. Now we are going to evaluate all results. Here we are introducing one more equivalent stress on the outer surface of this wall body. So here what we will do, first we will do face, and this face and this face, extend while limits. Yeah, right click, insert stress equivalent to convex stress, and evaluate all results. So you can see maximum, minimum. Maximum is somewhere here, that is 118, and what we want to refine this, we want accuracy on this number, that is 118 megapascal. So what we are going to do now, so here what we will do, we will add insert convergence. We are taking here 5%, and so here it will show like right now it is 118 and nodes and elements are this much. So we are taking 5% here. If we increase more, then it will take more time. Now we will click on solution and maximum refinement loops. Here we can increase to 5, 6, and refinement depth also we are going to increase 3, up to 3 we can increase. So it depends on the capacity of the system. If your system is not having much capacity, you can keep 4 something. Then analysis setting we are going to change. So here we are going to change solver type. Right now it is program controlled. So here we are putting iterative. Now solve. So now it has been solved. So we can go to convergence. So you can see here earlier it was 118 and now it's 139.96, and in this case, like in second case, it that nodes and elements has been increased, and in third convergence this nodes has been increased 10,49,000 nodes and 7,12,000 elements. So you can see if number of nodes and elements are more, the result will be much accurate, but the time taken by the system will be higher. And also we have changed that solver type, so now we can go to stress tool. Earlier it was around 1 point something, now it has been reduced, and there we have put some refinement and other things, so you can see this has been refined. And equivalent stress on outer surface. So this area has got refined. Okay, thank you.